My name is Abhinav Lekhwar. By the time I was graduating in my third year, I had options of MCA, MSc or MBA. So I looked back at my past experiences. I realized that MBA will be more inclined with my strengths that I have. So few of my friends already had experience with MBAGuru. They were enrolled in their course. So I had reference from them. So I joined MBAGuru. My journey was pretty good. Like the faculty here, the curriculum, the adaptive modules were very helpful to me. I'm coming from a computer science background. My VRC and quant section was pretty good, but I was lacking in DILR. So my main focus was to improve on my DILR section. Adaptive prep really helped me a lot in my journey. Initially, I had very low scores in DILR. By the time my CAT came, I scored 99 percentile in DILR. The first will be faculty, the second would be the curriculum, and third would be the support from the administrative department that keeps on pushing you and motivates you throughout the journey. Initially, I was very demotivated. I thought maybe I should give up, but then the faculty kept on motivating me and I got great results. It helped me through the areas where I was weak. It helped me grow in those particular sections that I was lacking in.